Hello there, young apprentice. Welcome back to A Byte at a Time. Today we'll be diving into the world of spells and symbols. By the end of this lesson, you'll be writing magical code with confidence. Let's get started. Alright, so what is syntax? Think of it like the rules of magic. Syntax tells your code how to speak so the computer can actually understand it. If something's out of place, like a missing quote or misusing a symbol, the spell breaks. Look at this example. Print hello works just fine. But if you flip it, like hello print, or forget to spell it right, like PRIN, the magic fizzles out. Next up, variables. I want you to picture a variable like a potion bottle. You could store something inside, like strength, speed, or health, and use it later in your spell. So if I say strength is equal to 10, I've basically bottled up the number 10 into a strength potion, and later I can use that same variable whenever I need to cast a strength-based spell. This one's pretty important. Indentation. In the world of coding, alignment matters. Just like a potion needs to be mixed in the right order, your lines of code need to step forward properly or things get messy. Here's an example of what not to do. See that? It's all out of line, and that causes errors. But check this one out instead. It's indented properly. Everything's in place and the spell works perfectly. Let's talk about the basic operations. The 4 spells every coder should know. Addition is how you join magical forces. Subtraction is for making things disappear. Multiplication is for making magical copies of things. And division is for sharing power evenly. Here's an example. If I have strength is equal to 10, I can say magic power is equal to strength times 2. And boom, I've just doubled my strength. One of the most important things is the council's approval. If you followed the rules so far, your syntax is clean, your variables are labeled, and your alignment is on point. This approval is what represents a spell being readied for casting, and you'll see this as soon as you run your code. Your code will tell you whether or not there will be an error, and the Grand Wizard computer will approve you or disapprove you for your code. Try it yourself. Create a potion of strength and give it a power of 10. Then use the spell of many clones times 2 to double its power. What happens? As you can see here, we have strength, the potion variable, is equal to 10. Then we take strength, we do strength equals strength times 2 in order to double its power. And then we print that double. We're going to print strength out and we will receive 20. And this is how we can double the power of our potion variables. Let's wrap up. You just learned what syntax is, how variables work, and why indentation matters, and how to use basic operations. That's a lot of magic packed into one lesson. Keep practicing your spells, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, code on, apprentice, and remember, every coder starts with their first spell. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.